Here we're looking at a quick view of a meniscal root repair. We can see the meniscus root is torn from its attachment to the tibia. Take our probe and explore, find that that is freely mobile, so we attach sutures to the meniscus. Near the root, we drill a tunnel where that anatomical root attachment should be, draw those sutures down through that tunnel, and now we can secure the meniscus back in its anatomical root attachment position. We can take our probe and show that meniscus is no longer hypermobile and secure.